Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, Math Tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. Given f of x as a rational function and we need to find f of 2 divided by f of minus 3 plus 1. So given f of x is equals to 3x square plus 2x minus 1 whole divided by x plus 1. We need to find f of 2 and f of minus 3. Let's find f of 2. So replace every x by 2. So 3 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. So 2 square is 4. So 4 times of 3 is 12. So 12 plus 6 minus 1 whole divided by 3. So f of 2 is equals to 17 by 3. So now find f of minus 3. F of minus 3 is equals to 3 times of minus 3 whole square plus 2 times of minus 3. Minus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1. So minus 3 whole cube is 9. So 9 times of 3 is 27. So 27 minus 6 minus 1 whole divided by minus 2. So f of minus 3 is equals to 27 minus 6 minus 1 becomes 20. So 20 by minus 2. So f of minus 3 is minus 10. Now solve for f of 2 divided by f of minus 3 plus 1. F of 2 value is 17 by 3 whole divided by minus 10 plus 1. So which becomes 17 by 30 minus 30 plus 1. So now take LCD and solve. So it can be written as minus 17 divided by 30 plus 1. So minus 17 plus 30 divided by 30. So minus 17 plus 30 becomes 30. So 13 divided by 30. So the value of f of 2 divided by f of minus 3 plus 1 is 13 by 30. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.